Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up LINKSYS AC1000 E5350 router using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the LINKSYS extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, we will unbox the LINKSYS AC1000 E5350 router box. Inside the LINKSYS AC1000 E5350 router box, you get the Wi-Fi router itself, a power adapter, and an Ethernet cable for connecting to your modem. It also includes a quick start guide to help with setup. Make sure your LINKSYS E5350 router is powered on and your internet is working. Go to the device, example, a Wi-Fi printer or extender. Open the Wi-Fi or network settings. Look for WPS, Wi-Fi protected setup, or WPS push button. Select WPS push button mode but do not press OK yet. On the front or side of the LINKSYS E5350, locate the WPS button, usually labeled WPS. Press and hold the WPS button for about 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS LED on the router will start blinking. This means the router is now searching for a device to connect. Now go back to your device and press OK/Next Connect to start its WPS connection. The device will now automatically detect and connect to the router's Wi-Fi, no password needed. The router's WPS LED will stop blinking and turn solid, or turn off, depending on model, after successful connection. Your device should show connected to the Wi-Fi network. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.